Okay, this is an assessment lab, and basically what you need to do is make 3 to 4, possibly 5, actually go ahead and make 5 good observations that are written in complete sentences. Once you're done making the observations of what I do, go ahead and explain what is happening and why it's happening. Make sure that you use everything that you learn from the kinetic theory in terms of what molecules do and how they behave when they're heated and cooled in your explanation. Your explanation should be at least 2 paragraphs in length, and again, make sure that you pull in all of those words, or as many as possible, those vocab words that we've used throughout this unit. Then come up with 3 real-life applications that are explained in detail for this assessment lab. Okay? Alright, here we go. Basically what we have is the Bunsen burner setup. It's set to a double cone flame. In this test tube, I have a small amount of water. I'm going to take a cork. I'm going to put it in the top of the test tube. I'm not going to jam it in too much, but just enough so that it's sealed. I have test tube tongues. I'm going to hold the test tube, the base of the test tube, just over the flame so that the water is heated. Okay, here we go. The water's starting to boil. Okay. Okay, this is assessment lab number 2, and you need to do the same thing that you did with the last assessment lab. Make observations, about 5 good observations that are written in complete sentences, and then using those observations, explain why things are happening as they are. Again, you need 2 good paragraphs that are written in which you draw upon all of the things that you've learned from the kinetic theory regarding what molecules do when they're heated and cooled to explain this. Basically, this is it's called a convection chamber. There's a chamber here that you can see. You're looking through a glass plate. There is a candle that's right underneath this column, and the column opens up into the chamber. So it is a hole here. And there's another column here, and the hole opens up into the inside of the chamber. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and light the candle, the blue candle that's in there. Okay, so the candle is lit. Now what I'm going to do is take a book of matches, and I'm going to ignite the entire book and insert that book. I'm going to blow it out and then insert the matches, the blown out matches, into this column and observe what happens. Okay, make your observations and explain why the smoke is traveling down in this column and up in this column.